Friday, August 8th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature this morning, 74.3. We have a high tide coming up around 7:30. Waves are looking 3 to 4 foot, occasionally 5 foot this morning. It's northeast wind, day number 3. Weather-wise, it's looking like it's going to be an awesome beach day. Flags are definitely going to be red today. There's a lot of rip currents, a lot of swell going on out there. No flies at the beach. And yeah, I guess you could go surfing if you really know what you're doing. A lot of duck diving, a lot of closeouts. There's definitely some makeable waves out there. But anyways, yeah, that's the update. Good beach day, good beach weekend ahead. Hope everybody has a great Friday.